everyone settled? It's great to be back here again. I thought I'd be very scientific in researching my talk to all of you here today. So I consulted my boys. I asked them, what should I say to young people and sound intelligent? Of course, I had to wait for the exact moment they would look up from their phones and laptops. I'm happy to see that you're not on them. Oh, I can see that one. So that was a window of exactly 8 seconds. So after he was done rolling his eyes, my 13-year-old told me, just don't be boring, whatever you do. As for my 18-year-old, he was aghast that anyone, just anyone, wanted to listen to me at all. So not satisfied with this dipstick, I thought I'd ask a few professionals. I asked a media mogul who's just set up a website, and he told me, young people don't want to listen to anyone who thinks that they're the voice of God. Is that right? Is that right? Okay. And I asked one of my young colleagues, and she told me, just be like the father in Roald Dahl's Matilda. Repeat what Mr. Wormwood tells Matilda. I'm smart, you're dumb. I'm big, you're little. I'm right, you're wrong. And there's nothing you can do about it. As you can see, by the end of the experiment, I was thoroughly confused. But now that I have you as a captive audience, I will pretend to be Salman Khan in Bigg Boss and give you some advice for life. So, Bigg Boss के घर में आपका स्वागत है. I am the Big Boss. Bigg Boss आपको सुझाव देना चाहते हैं. So, here goes. Number 1, and please never forget this. Be nice to your parents, especially your mothers. Make them your allies, not your enemies, in your search for yourself. Not just because you need the bank of mom and dad for all your life, but also because at some point we all become our parents. Don't say hurtful things to them. You'll regret it later, and you won't be able to do anything about it. Number 2, and this is for all the boys here. Be very nice to the girls you're working with and studying with. Remember, they're probably going to end up as your bosses. Yes, it's true. And you do know that women are going to rule the world, so. Yes! Number 3, and this is for the girls. Be very nice and be very gentle to the boys. They need to get used to all the women being smarter than them, better looking than them, more hardworking than them. So be very gentle. I can see some boys saying, who is this woman? What is she saying? Why doesn't she shut up? Number 4, that's you. Number 4, please remember, smartphones don't automatically make you smart. You have to use them to read. If you want, read history. If you want, read history so that you can tell Chetan Bhagat what historians do. Or you can read India Today, you can read Daily O, you can watch India Today TV. Just do everything with India Today. We'll be very happy. This is especially for the boys, and I'm reaching out to my boys because they don't listen to me. Sports is something you play out there in the fields, on courts. It's not on Xboxes, PS4s, PS3. That doesn't count as sport, okay? Number 6, I have 4 more. Work hard, it's the best cure for boredom. Number 7, know yourself. Work hard on your flaws, better your good qualities. Never be afraid to ask a question. Don't take criticism personally. This is very important because we have this tendency to do that. You know nothing is not just a line from Game of Thrones and for Jon Snow. It embodies you. It's who you are. So don't be afraid to know nothing. And consequently, don't be afraid of falling down, breaking a few bones, picking up yourself up again. The only way you can learn is from mistakes. Learn to laugh, very important in these very trying times, otherwise we'll all die of taking things too seriously. Be the first you. I think that's very important. Don't be the second so-and-so. Better to be an original at something than to be a poor face. be adventurous. I think we're not adventurous enough. Book a trip to Mars, which is a one-way trip. Climb a mountain no one has done before. Sail a river. Go live in a village without electricity for 3 months. Do something different. And last, let me come to Mind Rocks 15 finally. Just learn from our fantastic speakers today. We have speakers from all over India. Learn leadership from Jayant Sinha and Jyotiraditya Scindia, taste from Sonam Kapoor, hard work from Siddharth Malhotra. A round of applause. I knew he was popular. Entrepreneurship from Oyo Rooms is Ritesh Agarwal. How to spin success from Anil Kumble. I hope the boys will be happy with that. And there's a wonderful young girl here who has found the courage to be herself. You'll hear from her later. She's fantastic. I know she's here somewhere. I can't see her. Please learn from her. Yes, great. Learn from her. So get ready. Let your hearts race, your spirits fly, and your mind rock. Thank you. Have fun.